In this tutorial video, I'm really quickly going to remind you how to go from a mixed number and convert it into an improper fraction, and take an improper fraction and convert it to a mixed number. Now remember, a mixed number is called such because there is a whole number mixed with a fraction, and an improper fraction is named as so because the numerator is greater than the denominator, so that's considered improper. And we can convert between these two forms. So it's really simple to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. You just take the denominator, multiply it by the whole number, and then add the numerator. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, and I keep my denominator the same, which is thirds. Now I can actually draw an image to show you why this is the case. So I have a whole number of 3, so that means I'm going to draw 3 objects. And my fraction is telling me that each of these objects needs to be split into 3 equal pieces. That's what the denominator is explaining there, since it's a 3. And then I actually have 2/3 extra. So I'm going to draw 2/3 right there. So I've got my 3 right here, and I've got my extra 2/3 down here. And now that I have my whole number divided up into thirds, I can count how many thirds I have in total. So I've got 3, 6, 9, 10, and 11. So that's where the 11 is coming from for the numerator. This visualization might help you to see why we do that process. Here we have 16/5, and it's really easy to convert the other way as well. We ask ourselves how many 5s can fit into 16. Remember that a fraction represents division. So this is just saying 16 divided by 5. Now 16 isn't divisible by 5, so we're going to figure out how many 5s we can fit into there, and then how many 5ths we have left over. 5 fits into 16 3 times, and we're going to end up with 1/5 left over, because 3 times 5 is 15, and 16 subtract 15 gives us that 1 left over. And now I can kind of think about this in terms of a picture as well. So I've got fifths. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw an object that I'm going to split into 5 pieces. So there I've got my 5 pieces. So I've got 5. I'm going to do it again. 10. I'm not quite at 16 yet, so I'm going to keep going. I'm at 15 now, which is pretty close to 16, so I only need 1 more 5th, which I'm going to draw right there. So this is where I'm getting the 3 from, and the 5th left over, so I've got 16 5ths in total.